In this video, I'll show you how you can add text-to-speech in CapCut. So open up CapCut and you can either start from a new project or open up a recent project. I'm going to use a new project here, so we will click that and I'll select a random video. I'll just select a video of this gym. So we're going to go ahead and add this video. So click add and that will add your video to the timeline. Now what you need to do from here is make sure that you've got the timeline selected and not the video. You can then go to text, which should be at the bottom. And what you can do then is click add text and you can then add your text, which we can later on turn into text to speech. So I'm going to write here, this gym is huge. So now we've done that, we can also go and change the fonts, the style, the spacing and animations if that's something you're interested in. For the video though, I'll just keep it simple. I will change it to this modern font though. We can also resize the text and move it wherever on screen. Once you're happy with that, you just want to go ahead and click off the text. And then on your timeline here, you can drag how long you want the text to show for and where you want the text to appear. Once you're happy with the positioning and how long the text appears for, you just need to add now the text to speech. So go ahead and click on the text. Then if you scroll across on this lower bar, you should then see text to speech. Go ahead and then click on that. And you can now select a voice. So I will select Joey.
This gym is huge.
And if you click on that again, you can adjust the speed. I'm just going to keep it on default. Then we will click on the tick. Now that speech has been generated and we can now play it.
This gym is huge.
Once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and download that in the top right hand corner. I'm not sure if you can hear that on video, but the text to speech has been added.
This gym is huge.